So after we have our RTI Roundtables, we have to make sure that we are updating the logs as well as the PLP. Just like with welcome calls, always make sure that you update the log first, save it, and then update the PLP. So for my first student here, I've got Barbara Demo. So we had our roundtable discussion. All the teachers put in their notes here. We've got a follow-up date for October the 6th. So what I'm going to do here is copy my notes. And I want to go log everything. So this student right now is Tier 1 for math, Tier 2 for English. I'm going to go over to the log, and I'm going to create a log entry. So location, your section. Let's say you're just responsible for updating the log, then you don't have to put a section there. You want to make sure that the date of the meeting is what is in here. For contact type, you want this to be comment, observation, individual. For areas and categories, you want to go to instructional, teaching and curriculum. We want PLP so that the PLP finds it. When you're completing your roundtables, if you have the math teachers in there, the ELA, science, social studies, electives, you're going to choose which courses you're discussing. Now, the next thing is you want to make sure to come down here and choose which tier. So we said that student was Tier 2 in English. And then I want to choose the RTI Progress Monitoring Teacher Facilitated because we're doing these roundtables. Now, the next thing I want to do here is I'm going to come down to where it says SST RTI. And I always choose Other because this first one up here with the meeting, this is usually when the original meeting is being held. And so all you have to do now is I'm going to take this out of there, drop down here, and I'm going to put in RTI meeting, and it was 8/24, put in the notes, and then put the follow-up date. And then save and finish. The only time you're going to log this a little bit different is when we're entering a student into Tier 2 or Tier 3 or possibly moving them down to Tier 1. So anytime there's a change of tiers, they will be logged a little bit differently, and I'll share another video on that.